Hello guys, can you guys hear me? Okay, the setup is done. So let's begin. Do you guys want some music in the background? Because I want. So let's. So let's get back to our Gilly Danda and with another issue which was way bigger than this the issue that I had previously. So I guess I have to let go of that. Let go of that new implementation and move back to the old one. And I also made a backup for this before implementing yesterday in case something goes bad, and it did go bad. And the thing that about being bad is it's not that any kind of gameplay is ruined, but the gilly that we had was very much laggy and unplayable for the client after we implemented that feature. And I don't know if the implementation of the new feature caused that, or maybe something else I could have messed up. But so let's get back from our backup and let's see if the issue lies here, and if the issue does not lie here, then we have to find another way that does not ruin the things that we have built so far. So a Unity and Unity Danda revamp, right? So let's go to Unity. Oh, you guys are not seeing what I am trying to show. Yes. So let's bring back our this one, and it might take us a bit longer to launch. We had 121 subscribers, I guess. So one of our subscribers. No worries. So in this stream, for now, and I am facing a stream is getting off, so it is taking longer than usual. And it's been nearly a month since we got any progress in this project, because we have been neglecting this way too harder. And we also have dual destinies, which I am stuck with level design, and I don't know, man. I have not worked on that either. Maybe it's time for us to wake up now and start doing something that really matters for us instead of this just existing, I guess. It's 8:46 and at around 9:30 I will make breakfast. As yesterday I didn't eat properly, I just had junk food in the morning. I didn't have breakfast. I had lunch, which was paratha and some kind of chicken curry, which was not that good. It did taste good, but it was not healthy. I could sense that after my first bite. And after that, I had noodles in the afternoon, which was bad decision. I didn't feel good after eating noodles. And at night, I just had a cucumber, and that was it. I didn't eat anything. So I am feeling kind of hungry right now. We have to go back to our go-to breakfast that we had, bread with peanut butter or something like that. So let's see what we have and find out what are we working on today. WQ9. Start. For the batter or for the host, there's nothing. There's no issue with it, and we have this kind of event domain which was new, and the issue that I was facing was for the client. If I try to hit this, and it was really laggy and jittery. You guys see this? This is what I'm talking about. The lag. It is unplayable with this. There's no way someone would play with this kind of lag. And I thought I had opened up the backup one. I guess I didn't have that feature implemented, but I kind of think that the canvas that we have could be the reason for our lagginess. Because um, after I added that, this problem came into existence after I added that canvas, the canvas that was right here, the score calculator. So I don't know how it could happen, but it did happen. So let's fix this. Let's try to fix this. Let's go to my placing and let's remove this completely. And let's go to game manager as well. And let's remove everything regarding the distance meter or the distance calculator. And rebuild this and see if anything works well for us. And my game manager, this is the older one. I kind of made this a cleaner version with cloth in the project yesterday, but I had the backup one and I had to come back to this. So after final hit is made, I don't want this. Let's remove this completely. Let's remove all of this that we have right now. And we want to be needing request guild authority. This is also something that we are not using, I guess. On catch we need, get auto play we need. Where are the unused ones? This is the soul distance where. Let's remove this completely and see if the problem kind of magically goes away. If it goes away, then we might be able to fix that without causing the lag. But first, let's clarify if that was the real problem or the real problem is hidden somewhere else and our UI meter is just getting blamed for it. Which might also be the case, but I don't think that should be happening, because before I implemented this I didn't find any kind of lag towards the game. So after this I am facing consistent lag, and that lag is not due to FPS or something. That lag is coming from server. I think the gilly is not properly synchronized. What the fuck? Not this. And ever since I have implemented this lobby scene, I have to go back and create and join test, which is also kind of frustrating sometimes. The way you have to repeat the same steps again and again just to get to the point where you will test something, and to get to that point you have to go through a lot of steps, which can be avoided if I remove this for a while and only work on our placing. But I also had kind of difficult times implementing this, so I don't want to remove this and later when I come back to this I have to go through all of that again. So I don't want that. So that's the reason I'm 4 what is this 6 4 6 kilo. Let's start. For our batsman, for our first batsman, it works pretty well. The gilly looks kind of clean and smooth. The problem arises when we move on to the second player, and if the problem does not arise now, then I would be in such a relief, and it still arises. I don't know what is causing this issue. What the fuck, man? How the fuck am I supposed to deal with this? हिजो का सपना आज बनी किनायती नजक लाग्छ हावा बग्छ बिस्तारै जस्तै सम्झनाको बाँचिएका पलहरू फेरि सजीव हुन्छन् रात सुनौलो साँझले मलाई फेरि बोलायो छातीमा बस्दा मलाई समय पुर्यायो काठमाडौँको सूर्य अस्ताउँदा म भित्रको उज्यालो अझै बाँकी रह्यो Let's remove this. What's our link in the script? Let's remove this live distance. We have one more error. What is that? Let's go this What the fuck? Why do I still have errors? What is the script about? Oh, this is for the building of UI. I also think ever since I have introduced live distance as network, that was also at least that was the main point for us causing the issue. Could it be inside of our gilly, which has fixed inside a fixed update network, which had to calculate the distance? Might be the reason for that problem. I don't know, man. There could be a lot of reasons, and it's our task to figure out what the real problem was. X4083 But the worst, it is pretty clean. There's no any bugs or anything. For the client, it was causing problem was being caused. What the fuck, man? What the fuck is causing this? It's good. Game manager and try to find if we can find something for this. Let's see if a Gilly network has. What is this script? Gilly network. This is kind of required, right? This is for the distance calculation, and it could not be the reason for I don't know, man. I feel kind of stuck right now. I don't know what to do. Please don't lag. The fuck, man? Why is it lagging so much? See how smooth it is for host. And when I switch to client, it's fucking killing. Why it lags so much? I think he's causing this. Wait a second, I removed this right yesterday. Let's return this. Let's try this again. Check if we had automatically initiate noise and the key. We are not, we are in host mode, right? Requested authority in host mode. State authority objects requested and does nothing. Flash it the client always receive physics as repeated snapshots from the host. That's why it's sitting no matter how it type. But it fits for the host mode is client side interpretation versus client interpretation critically do not call the question. In which spawn do we have that? First spawn. Our spawn is visible. Is he talking about this? Daily network? Another be game manager. Let's see if that fixed anything for us. Why is the game not getting started? It took way longer than expected this time. It is smoother than before. Don't you guys think? It was kind of smoother than before, and I think it was for host. It is so smooth. It looks like butter, but for the client, it fucking messes up everything. The experience. The jitteriness is kind of gone, and I think the reason for that was and let's try disabling this and see if we get the jitterness back. Then we will know the main reason behind it. And I think hello guys. Hello guys. Call me Escape and Ignite. Welcome to the stream, guys. You guys might have already left. You guys have already left, but I am kind of stuck right now. I have to fix a thing, and I'm trying to fix it. I think the visual detailness that we had is kind of gone right now. Don't you guys think? Paru, P-A-R-U-B. It is very smooth for host as intended for the client. Let's see if okay. I guess the jitterness was this was the main problem for cause of jitterness. So we know the reason for that, right? When it falls is at the client stops stimulating the entire line the standards were out of sense. And remotely the client started locally stimulating physics too, but it's also receiving host state and these to fight each other cognitively. But now I have a story about that because we run client round trip lines into McGilly and the lines just send it to by RPC reacted. Yeah, I was kind of guys. I don't know if it was in stream or it was off stream, but I kind of got a solution for this UI ring, and the solution was pretty simple. I was using RPC, and the main problem that I faced or I thought of was if I send RPC every single take, then it could be costly for us, and that was the reason I kind of wanted to make something simpler, which was not resource consuming. And after that, everything is going downward for us from that point. We were not able to find any solution to it, and we were also ruining the things that we had working before. Okay, we will try this. We will again try to go to the same step that we rejected before, and if nothing works for us, then let me ask Claude. Wait, I have one more step could that could kind of fix. Let's create an empty game object and name this as visuals, and let's copy this component and also we got two mesh renderers and we need this as well. So now if we remove this from here as well, and also from here we can use this interpolation target. For this we make this as 1 and the target we assign this. And let's see if we get it to be smoother than before. If U403 fucking joint, brother. BUD9 let's try to
धेरै टाढो बज्छ मन्दिरा तिमी जस्तो मेरो कथा कसैले गाइदिएको जस्तो समय हुन्छ कहिले काहीँ शान्त रूपमा घडीको टिक टिक भित्र लुकेको गीत सुन्न मन लाग्छ आकाशतिर हेर्दा लाग्छ म भित्रको खाली ठाउँ पनि त सुन्दर रहेछ रात ढल्दै जान्छ तर मेरो मन अझै त्यही छतमा अड्किएको सपना नगाएको शान्तता तिम्रो काठमा टाउको आत्मा बनेर बगिरहेको छोपेको साथ चियाको वाफमा हरायो निद्राको अन्तिम पल पानी परेपछि सहर कति सफा देखिन्छ जस्तो हिजोका दुःखहरू पनि धोइएर गए झै सारा बोल्छन् हो ईश्वरमा मात्र केही आत्माहरू
For the host, it is so clean, guys. It makes me.
काठमा डाउ बिस्तारै उठ्दैछ तर मेरो मन अझै निद्रामा छ
Did you hit?
ओ सखा
Who's the killing?
समयको दालमा सत्यको फुलामा बस्दै सोच्दैछु जीवनको हालमा कसरी सहरले पनि
We got
मुस्कुराउँछ
all different.
बिहान आउँदा सबै कुरा फेरि नयाँ
Guys, should we switch back to share mode? What do you guys think, guys? If we look, or if we try to look for the long run, then but even if anything in the long term. I guess. Okay guys, so we will try to move this project from host mode to shared mode, because if we are being real, then if we are being real, then for a game to be playable, the most basic thing the game should have is a smoother gameplay experience. If the basic are ruined, then anything you add is not gonna what do you call this, do anything good for the player or for the player itself. Yeah, so I guess it's worth a try moving back to shared mode, because shared mode could save if we fix the problems that we had before while we were using shared mode, then we can get rid of a lot of problems that is causing us a lot of pain in our ass, guys. And I think it is worth a try. Even if it does not work, what's the worst case scenario? We come back to this, and we already have this, and it is worth a try. So for that, I will create one more backup of this. So I have to create one more backup of this, and we will work everything on that. We will not touch this. So let's go here. We have to close this. It is gonna take a lot of time, and during this time I can make breakfast for me, and I also think we should be streaming Mobile Legends for 2 or 3 games. It will be fun. So I will try to figure out the way to replicate my phone screen into my PC, then we will stream that as well. So you guys stay here for some time. Do I have this is private game. Be right back. Let's make this right. Okay, you guys just enjoy the long slow music there, please.
어색하기 참 어두워 바람은 stay 어두운 하루 라디오를 그대처럼 See I turned all day so 하루고 아와서 비틀어내려오는 더욱 그대처럼 같은 말로 뒤로 아와서 불안하기 뜨거워서 그러나 다음으로 보여졌어 내려만 보자요 번호처럼 더 바뀌었고 중 너무나 쏟아요 설마 버스에 있었구나 전화에도 기대 약속
Te caio, para que te quitaba
बिहानको सय चुकेको छ जैयाको आफूमा हरायो निद्राको अन्तिम पल पानी परेपछि सहर कति सफा देखिन्छ जस्तो हिजोका दुःखहरू पनि धोइएर गए झैँ
हेलो भाई,
हेलो। हाँ,
क्या कर रहा है?
मैं अभी थोड़ा देर पहले फिर से सो गया था, फिर उठा हूँ।
भाई मैं सोच रहा हूँ मोबाइल लेजेंड स्ट्रीम करने का, खेलेगा क्या?
नहीं, अभी जस्ट कुछ दवाई खा के खाना खाऊंगा, फिर दवाई खाना है, फिर खेलते हैं। एक गेम फिर तब तक आता हूँ।
हाँ,
एक गेम खेल तब तक आता हूँ।
नहीं अभी नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद ही आऊंगा मैं भी।
हाँ ठीक है, फोन भी चार्ज नहीं है,
ठीक
चार्ज लगा देता हूँ।
ठीक है। नोवारिया, ग्लोबल नोवारिया गेम प्ले होना पड़ा आज।
ठीक।
चलो।
बिस्तारै मात्र म रोकिएर सोच्दैछु कसरी हरेक दिन एउटै तरफ लाग्छ दिनको लय मनको तालसँग बग्दैछ छत्रको छाया मेरो कथा लेख्दैछ सहर व्यस्त छ तर म शान्त छु बाटो बाटोको मुटुमा आज कविता सुन्दैछु.
So we have the zipped version, and we now we can start making changes to it. So for half an hour, let's till 10:15. Till 10:15, let's try to make some changes and shift this project from host mode to shared mode, and after that we will stream Mobile Legends for some time. So while I make the changes, I will also start generating thumbnails for my stream.
जुन यस क्षणमा पूर्ण बनेको छ. सूर्य ढल्दैछ सहरको कान्धमा घामको रङ फैलिएको छ आकाशको पानामा मौन छ सबै तर मनमा आवाज उठ्छ हिजोका सपना आज पनि किन यति नजिक लाग्छ हावा छ बिस्तारै जस्तै सम्झनाको हात बाँचिएका पलहरू फेरि सजीव हुन्छन् रात सुनौलो साँझले मलाई फेरि बोलायो छतमा बस्दा आत्माले समय भुलायो काठमाडौँको सूर्यास्ताउँदा म भित्रको उज्यालो अझै बाँकिरह्यो दराजमा नोटबुक बन्द हुँदैछ तर शब्दहरू अझै पनि हावामा तैरिँदैछन् टाढा टाढा मन्दिरका घन्टी बज्छन् र मनमा शान्ति जस्तो भगवान् नजिकै छन् घामको अन्तिम किरणले आधार छोयो न्यानो बिछट्ट जस्तो बिदाइ र भेटकै साथ म सोच्दछु सुनौलो पलहरू सधैँ छोटा हुन्छन् तर त्यसकै रङमा जीवन सधैँ बग्छ
Guys, I just give ChatGPT a task to create a thumbnail, and it deliver, guys. It created such a beautiful thumbnail for me. I will not show you guys that thumbnail. You guys can see that thumbnail in my next stream, but it is kind of cool and it looks so perfect. So let's go to our scripts and the things that we wanna share is, first up, we wanna share game manager. We have game manager script. What did I say? Using Gilly. Okay, this was our Gilly. We give our Gilly script. Let's give our game manager script. Player animation sync script. And we don't need lobby manager, we don't need this Gilly distance, and we don't need this as well. And the main script that we need to give is player. We also have this animation bridge script that we have to give. Animation trigger. Did we give the animation trigger? No, we didn't give that as well. The animation trigger script. First person. If we had created such complex animation systems, then we would not have faced this problem. But without the animations, the game would not have reached the place where it is now. You would have given up on this game way before. In a sense, we don't need this player animation. We need player camera. Let's give player camera as well. No, we don't need player camera effects. Yes, we don't need player identity. We don't need player input. Yeah, we need to give player input. We gave player input. It pasted, and we need a player movement. We need player movement as well, because and after that we need role. For the role state we don't need, strike charge we don't need. I think this is all the script that I had to give. Share more videos in any code. Somewhere whoever spawns the object owns it. Since Ghost was spawning the lily and assigning it to the batter had input but not state authority. Fixed batter must spawn their own lily. Yeah, I figured I figured it out myself. Calls on which calls are request to state authority. State authorities the batter themselves, so this actually works. But game manager has state authority guard which in shared mode means only the game manager own a host. That's the real trick. As a full plan before changes, game manager needs to change from state authority guards to a mixed approach. So game state like any state current striker plays host stays owned by host, but delay physics owned by batter and spawned by the batter directly. Batter has state authority, removes satisfy waiver in this background the adversary presents about the target can do accident all single segment. There's no single state authority for players. Animation triggers no single already works locally. Does this plan match what broke for you before? I know who spawns the game match of this machine. It is spawned by network does runner who spawns the game manager offset. Game manager is a scene object. So which means it is host. Scene objects in server are owned by the master client first player to join, not always game the host master client, which is actually fine for turn management, has the complete CRM integration. Let me write all of this, okay? So we are about to make some changes to our script. Okay guys, I think you guys are gonna see it anyways. And this way you So guys, now Claude is generating codes for us and we will work according to the codes and we will try to shift from host mode to shared mode, and if everything goes well, and this could take some time, this could take a lot of time actually, but if this works for us, then it is gonna be easier for us to implement a lot of things that is taking a lot of time. So let's hope for the best. Okay, till 1:30 p.m. we are out of 3 messages for Claude, and okay, we are. So now we will follow a pattern. We will work on our game, and the moment we hit the limit for Claude, then we will shift towards game and we will play game. In this way, we can stay productive, and we can also implement fun. So which is way better for us. So I'm gonna stop streaming, guys, and in our next stream, which will be around 1 or 2 o'clock, we will try to implement shared mode, and which is gonna be a good experience for us. We are gonna encounter a lot of bugs,